In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method on Discord. We'll do this on the desktop app or in a web browser since the process is the same in both. Start by opening Discord and looking to the lower left corner of the window. Next to your profile, you'll see a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that to open your personal settings panel. Inside User Settings, navigate to the section called Billing or Subscriptions. This is where Discord keeps all your purchase information, including Nitro, server boosts, and your saved payment methods. Take a moment to let the page load fully, then look for the area labeled Payment Methods. You should see any saved cards or a linked PayPal account listed here. Before removing anything, it can help to confirm exactly which method you want to manage. If you're not sure, glance at the last 4 digits of the card or the PayPal label so you remove the right one. When you're ready, click the Edit button to the right of the card or PayPal entry you want to change. This brings up the management options for that specific payment method. From the Edit view, choose Delete Payment Method. Discord will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove it. Read the prompt carefully and confirm the removal. After you confirm, the method should disappear from your payment methods list. If it's still visible, give the page a second to refresh or click out and back into the billing section to update the view. A few helpful notes here. If you have an active subscription, Discord may require at least one valid payment method on file. In that case, remove the method only after you've added a replacement or adjusted your subscriptions accordingly. Also, if the delete option is grayed out, it usually means that method is currently tied to an ongoing subscription or pending charge. Wait until the charge completes or switch the subscription to a different method, then try again. When the payment method is removed, you won't be billed on that card or PayPal for future Discord purchases. If you decide to buy Nitro or Boosts later, Discord will prompt you to add a new method at checkout, so you can always re-add a card or link PayPal when you need it. That's it. Open User Settings, go to Billing or Subscriptions, find your payment methods, click Edit next to the one you want, then delete and confirm. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double-check your subscription so everything stays exactly how you want it.